The three most common questions guests ask about the mansions in Greenwich, Connecticut are: what's the most expensive house in Greenwich? What are the most expensive neighborhoods in Greenwich? Where do all the celebrities live? The most expensive house would be Copper Beach Farm. It grabbed headlines in 2014 for being the most expensive piece of real estate ever on sale in America. The most expensive neighborhood in Greenwich and the 70th most expensive neighborhood in the country is Riverside, Connecticut. The average home there in 2019 was $1.63 million. And as for the celebrities, well, many have moved out in recent years. Some of the recent homes sold owned by celebrities include one owned by Vince Camuto. Mel Gibson, Ron Howard, and Judge Judy are long gone. However, Diana Ross has been a fixture in town for decades. Most of the largest, most fantastic mansions in Greenwich are in gated communities or set far back from the road. And you definitely don't want to get caught trespassing. If you're up for a bike ride or drive, check out these mansions and homesteads. Riversville Road is beautiful. As the name implies, it follows the Byram River for a significant part of its trip before it heads uphill to reach the small village of North Greenwich and the Greenwich Audubon Center and Preserve. The northern part of Round Hill is on a high ridge, so the beautiful historic homes, country estate Greenwich mansions, and open fields are complemented by open views of the surrounding hills. Supposedly, this point is high enough to see the Manhattan skyline of New York City, and a fort was here during Revolutionary War times. North Street remains a scenic drive from the Merritt Parkway into town. Years of building up prime real estate has created a few stretches of road lined with high walls and hedges to block the view. But it's still got some cool mansions along it, including one built as an exact replica of the Petit Trianon, Marie Antoinette's estate in Versailles, France. Want a better understanding of why the fabulously wealthy choose Greenwich to be their home? Check out our list of top things to do in Greenwich and download your copy of the Greenwich Visitor's Guide.